K&N Engine Air Filter in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 149 ratings and 39 reviews. 91% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 5% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said good. Good. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Poor quality for the money. I've used this brand in all my cars for 2 decades. Sure enough, my C43 AMG breathes better with them. Quality was not good though. The plastic was extremely poorly trimmed. Thin plastic shreds hanging off the sides of the filter. The picture shows some of this. This particular section seals the clean side of the filter box. I had to manually clean up all the edges, because you do not want to risk sucking that stuff into the motor. For a $50 filter the size of your hand, the quality should be much better than this. That's it.